Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make notifications show on your lock screen on your iPhone or iPad. So if there's an individual app that's not showing notifications on the lock screen, you first want to head into your settings. Now within the settings you'll see notifications here around the middle, and you simply want to tap into that. Now within notifications you want to come all the way down, and let's say Gmail is not showing notifications on the lock screen. You want to tap into that, and you want to make sure these alert section here, lock screen, is actually on, like this. If it's completely off, like that, you want to make sure allow notifications is on. But the second most important thing is to make sure lock screen is tapped there. And you can do this for each individual app, making sure the lock screen is selected. So that's how to make notifications show on your lock screen on your iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.